Hey, what's up, guys? It's Blake here. Got some new parts, and I just wanted to do a bike check. Before we get into this, I wanted just to say that we have a little mini edit coming out. Possibly tonight. I have to edit it, including me, Reese, and Jason on some wood stuff, and big edit coming up soon for beginning midsummer, and we'll be doing a dirt track / dirt jump edit at the end of the summer. So yeah, stuff to look forward to. Subscribe. So here we go. In the front we have the Odyssey lumberjack bars with the Colt white sticker on them. I believe they're 28 wide. We got the ODI long neck grips with ODI bar ends. Colt Salvation top load stem. Flat black colony top bolt ratchet. My new eclat headset. It's in red, of course, with some black spacers and red spacers. Then we got the Colony official forks here, same as usual. I don't know if you can see, but it's little red bearings under there. We got the Fit TRL1 frame 2010 with the I Love Wendell sticker on the front, and then 2 Odyssey stickers there, and a Primo down there. The front wheel, just got it laced up by my friend Sam Rose. Thanks, Sam. We got the Alienation black sheet double wall rim, half Odyssey, half Primo spokes, and a Primo N4 hub with the adapters on them. I have Odyssey rim strips in both wheels. We got red FAF 2.3 street tires in front and back with red ball. Moving on down, we got the kink bike seat in black pivotal with the animal aluminum post and integrated seat clamp. We got the stock mid bottom bracket, flat black freshly powder coated cranks, premium slim PC pedals sealed with the Allen bolt to tighten, and drive chain is a KMC chain, and then it is the Colt member sprocket, $50. I love it, nice and strong. We got in the back is Primo red spokes, black nipples, alienation, black sheep rim with the Odyssey rim strip, and the Fit FF tire. So yeah, that's about it. That's my probably like 3rd or 4th bike check, not update on this bike, maybe 3rd. So yeah, just starting to look pretty good. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of edits coming up soon. I might be having a mini edit come up tomorrow. So yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure you subscribe to Suzuki Rider 128. My brother, he's starting to get his YouTube going. So yeah, subscribe to him, subscribe to me, and like it, favorite it, share it, all that. So thank you, and yeah, Fit TRL1 bike check.